Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Fleek. If you're not familiar with Fleek, it's a monthly earring stud subscription. They do have 4 different genre, like you'll select your style, your preferred style when you sign up. This is the Classy and Fabulous. They also have Minimalist. There's the Silly and Fun, and there's like the kind of like out there, like weird. I don't want to say weird. I don't remember the name that they use now, but it's something like that. I'll put them below. I'll also link to my full review. I'll also link to Fleek so you can check them out. They do sometimes have coupon codes. I'll check to see if there's one available, and then I'll put that below if you're interested. But, I mean, it's not an expensive subscription. This is super affordable at just $3.49 a month. So let's see what we got. They always come with hair ties, too, which I think is pretty interesting. All right. So you open it up, and this is what you have. So it says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings I personally selected just for you. Hope you love your new bling. Your stylist, Rachel." So there it is. P.S. Share your new look. And it gives you their social sharing. So there's our hair. You see our hair tie. And then we have our earrings. Let's see if I can open this. My daughter, by the way, I take all these and I just give them to my daughters. I put them, they have like a little bin in their bathroom with like hair ties and stuff. Put it in there, and I saw my daughter yesterday with like pigtails, and she had these. All right, what are our earrings? I love how they have them packaged too. They're really nicely packaged. Oh my goodness, aren't they cute? They look like Boston Terriers. So they come in this bag. As you can see, they're like hermetically sealed, which is kind of neat. All right. So look, they look like Boston Terriers, right? Aren't they cute? Aren't they adorable? They're pink. How silly is that? Isn't that cute? So that is my Fleek, $3.49. That's kind of an awesome, amazing deal, especially since like you get these fun little designs. Let me know down below what you think. If you're interested in checking out my full review, I'll link to that as well. I'll also link to Fleek. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. I'll see you next time.